Hi guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, we are working on our daily Niva again. And yeah, it's that time of the year where you need to use a lot of wiper. So it's been a lot of rain recently here. It's that time of the year. So my wipers are not too good, and like on every Niva, like on every Lada, it's really not good. Those wiper motors just don't last long. So yeah, let me show you. Well, when we got in the car, you can see when it's the first gear, it's working first time, then they can't get it next time. But when it's on second gear, they are working fine. So yeah. So yeah, I'm hoping it's just a bad wiper motor. I'm gonna replace it, then we're gonna see if this works or not. So yeah, let me show you what you need to do. Well, first we're gonna remove this cover. Okay, I'm gonna remove this off the camera, and connector is right here. You need to unplug it. Then I'm gonna show you what's next. Just first I need to remove these two things. So now when everything is unplugged and we remove those cover, use a marker and you need to mark this position with that. So when you put everything back, that you know where it goes. So yeah, then it's really hard to film, so I removed a complete from another car to show you. So come on, let me. So this is what you need to do. So this is the back side of this. So first you're gonna remove this 10mm bolt nut, sorry. Then you have those three 10mm bolts. So you have 4 bolts to remove. It's not a lot, but there is really a tight space. So yeah, you just need to remove this, and then you can put new one in. So yeah, let's give it a try. So everything is out, and there wasn't too much drama. Now if you want, you can level your wipers a little bit so that everything would come down nice and low. And if you have one of these wrenches that has gears, it's gonna help you so much, because it's really tight with space. I tried other methods, but this is the best. So if you have this, it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, so the new one is here. Let's use it. So now we have the reverse of what we did. First we're gonna put those 3 bolts back in, then we are gonna put this on the end. So yeah, now we just put everything back together. Whew. Well, this isn't so hard. So yeah, let's put it back together. Well, everything is in place, everything is tightened, so let's give it a try. Let's see, first gear. Okay, that's a much quicker. Let's see it, if it works after. Awesome. Second gear. Awesome. Okay, now we have another problem. I was hoping I can get it fixed down there, but I'm gonna unbolt a 10mm bolt here and just put it closer here so that everything is nice, because this is so far up my windshield. So we are gonna remove this bolt and get this wiper a little bit lower. Okay, so the wipers are nice and low. Let's put it in the first gear. And that's how it's supposed to be. Awesome. And they work so good. So yeah, if you have any kind of these problems, if your wiper is not getting to the end or it's getting past the end, that's not good either. So you have just one bolt, use a crowbar and some cardboard to make it nice, so you don't damage your collar, and then you can just do it really easily. So yeah guys, this is it. It's really easy, but it's super important so that your wipers are working, because then you can see, and that's really good. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and guys, see you in the next video.